tell them, Daddy, come out wherever you are.
Kumusta mga kapatid? Assistant tayo ngayon. Okay, so what are we gonna do?
We're gonna bake this, a cake in a mug.
Okay, ito palang gagawin ni Bunso ngayon. Itong recipe na to is credit to kaibigan natin na YouTuber din, si Meikas Channel. Okay, so maraming salamat po sa pag-share. Inaabangan niya to. Gusto niya si Bunso gumawa ng recipe na to.
And thank you for the recipe. Now for what we need. So now we're going to use the flour,
Harina mga kapatid. Okay. Okay, what's next?
oil,
Cooking oil. Okay.
sugar,
Asukal mga kapatid. What else?
Nutella,
Nutella.
milk, but this is a different milk. You know why it's a different milk? Because last night I drink all the milk. But it's
No.
okay, this is a good one too.
Naubusan kami mga kapatid ng regular milk, kaya evaporated milk. Pwede din yan.
And we got, what's this again?
That's your baking powder.
Salt. And what is this again? Forgot.
Your chocolate
Powder.
powder.
Cocoa powder.
And my favorite ingredient is chocolate chip Hershey.
Ooh, we gotta put that later.
What we
Wow.
need is a what is this?
Sifter mga kapatid, pansala natin.
And we need a bowl
Mixing bowl.
and a mixer.
Ayun ang mixer panghalo. At syempre, pinaka-importante sa lahat,
Mugs.
mga kapatid, make sure na yung mug natin pwede natin ilagay sa microwave, ha?
So let's get cooking. Hi guys. Now we're going to put the dry ingredients.
Okay, so we'll start with
Flour.
flour. Kailangan sasalain natin mga kapatid. Para hindi magbubuo. Yan ang purpose niyan. Okay. Pagkatapos, what's next, Rhea? The chocolate powder.
Powder.
Good. Salain din natin.
What's that, Rhea?
Now we're going to put sugar.
Okay, put the sugar. Asukal mga kapatid.
What is this?
Baking
That's the
powder.
baking powder.
Okay.
Alright. At pinakahuli natin ang
Salt.
salt, asin mga kapatid. Okay. Now what's the next step?
Agitate.
Halo-halo. Be careful. Alright. Kailangan haluin natin ng haluin mga kapatid hanggang talagang totaling equally mix na sila.
Now for the wet ingredients. So we have oil and milk.
Okay, do we need to put it there?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so lagay daw natin mga kapatid. Unahin natin yung oil. Be careful.
All of it.
Alright. Tapos, yung milk.
Wow.
Okay. Then, what's the next step?
Agitate. I'll see you
Agitate.
back.
Haluin mga kapatid.
Agitate daw.
Agitate. Halo lang. Okay na yun. Okay. And what are you gonna tell them?
We'll see you back.
We'll be right back.
Wow. While my assistant is mixing it, I'm going to put Nutella on my mug and coffee on my dad's mug.
Wow! Nutella daw sa kanya. Coffee flavor naman sa akin. Halo pa more.
Okay, time for Daddy's coffee. It's like he's just gonna drink coffee. Assistant, are you done mixing yet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you have to put it in the mugs.
Okay, one at a time.
Yay,
Okay,
mine
let's start with
first.
your mag.
Wow.
Oh!
Just mix it all together.
Put some more.
It's like 2 chocolates.
Pag this, oh, mga kapatid, oh.
So much. Ooh.
Wow, with coffee. Do you think this is good? Rhea? Talk to the kapatid.
Yes, it is good. You will hear me say syrup all the time.
Good job.
Now for my favorite part, the chocolate chip Hershey's.
Ooh.
Okay, one for this one for this one, and one for me.
What? Put a lot more on Daddy's mag. More. Hey. So what's the next step? Oh. What's our next step? Put it in the Put it in the
Microwave.
for how many minutes?
1 minute.
1 minute? Okay. Oh, mga kapatid, kita-kita tayo. Lalagay muna namin sa microwave to. And let's see! Mga kapatid, lagay din natin sa microwave. Pagsabayin na natin yung 1 minute. Let's try 1 minute. Wish me luck. Doon pa sa bundok. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's mine.
Whoop. Wow! Looks like we have a chocolate brownie right here. Ano ba tawag nyo rito? Wow, look at that.
Oh, nice.
Oh, look at that.
Gutom na! Mga kapatid!
Oh, galit na ka siya. Gutom na siya. But we have to wait 3 more minutes. How about that? Good?
How about you put it in the freezer and put it for 3 minutes?
Gusto shortcut mga kapatid. Lagay daw namin sa freezer for 3 minutes. How about that? Oo nga, good idea. Lagay muna namin sa freezer mga kapatid.
Mga kapatid, I can't wait to eat it!
Hi! Ito na mga kapatid, exciting moment. Subukan na natin, no? Tignan nyo. Okay. You wanna try it first?
Yes.
Go ahead. Uy,
Is it cold now?
how is it?
Syrup.
Naku, sarap. Ganda ng ngiti ako, mga kapatid.
But yours with coffee.
Right there, oh. Naku. Masarap to.
What's the coffee?
Sarap mga kapatid. Success. Ito mga kapatid. Success.
Syrup.
Sarap. Yung mga
Mga
kapatid.
ayos!
Oh, yes. Kunti pa lang yung nakakain yung gusto mga kapatid, ha? Hyper na. So, ubusin na muna namin to mga kapatid. At maraming salamat ulit sa patuloy niyong panonood. So, bago kami magpaalam, ibibigay ko na kayo kay Princess Baby Rhea.
The cooker.
The cooker, okay.
You
Don't
have chocolate
forget
on
to
your teeth.
subscribe. Give it 2 thumbs up. Like and share. Ring the bell. Bye, God bless. I love you, viewers.
Bye-bye. Maraming salamat sa panonood. God bless.